something there.
Yeah, man, for your eye.
You can't take it, nobody come in our kitchen, you know.
Yeah, man. Fresh from the ocean. Catch and cook. Lobster on the grill. Sweet. Yeah, man. Fresh lobster. He don't shoot bar. He don't shoot. He don't shoot no bar. Yes, me people. Wagwan. Yeah, man, we're there once more again, me people, another night. Yes, me people, another night of hunting food, me people. Soon show no wagwan, man. You know, soon see all of the action, man. Yes, man. We are going to hunt food in the night, you know, me peeps. Because, you know, food of eat, you know. Yeah, man, belly can't stay hungry, you know, me peeps. Yeah, man, want some money in a pocket. So we are going to look some fish, so all of that can happen, you know, my peeps. Yes, man. So, some peeps today with couple brethren of a new diver. Well, not a new diver. First, me I go dive with him. Night Sea, Daddy Biggs. Yeah, my peeps. You know, the lady I see him with Jonestown. Yes, my people. So, in due time, I make them say something, my peeps, you know. Yeah, so you know, after that, head we are go head out in the water, my peeps go. Look food, my peeps. Yeah, man. Up in the building, Daddy Biggs.
Yeah, you know, one go, man. You are going on. I hate man, fix up your face good and do it. You see me? Now watch no face, man. All heap of things I go see, you know, go see? When we come out of the water, no job.
Daddy Biggs.
One go.
Yeah, my peeps. That is it, you know, guys.
Wagwan. Yeah, man, we're there now. One more night again, you know. We're going to go eat in the night, you know. You see it. So right now, just our gears up, fix up ourselves, get the thing together and forward in, and then when we forward back out, we're showing the Wagwan. I'm out.
That is it.
Up top.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, do it, man. One more time. Out there. To the world. You know, like up the video. Spearfishing with Odane. Just stick and stay to this epic adventure.
Yes, my people. Out back on land, you know, my people, you know. Everybody. Big smash it down. Yeah, man, well, we are warm fire. Yeah, man, and I roast some lobster, you know. See it, my people. That is it, man. Fresh from the ocean, guys. We are roast some lobster for eat, you know, hungry. You say?
Yeah, man. Right now.
Want something to eat, guys, you know?
Yeah, no.
Yeah, man. So, yeah, my people. Yeah, man, we back out in water, like I say, guys, but, you know, hungry, so we are going with that one catch and cook. Some lobster on the grill, as you see my peeps. Yeah, man. So, we have to roast up some lobster, get something to eat, guys, before we show you the catch. But we are going to show you the catching of my peeps, you know? Yeah, man, we are going to show you what we're going with tonight. That is it, my peeps. Yeah, man, a big catch that, my peeps.
First night for the video
So
for the catch, you know?
Fish like, whoa.
Yes, man, whole heap of fish, man, you know?
Listen.
Whole heap of something.
Nice catch, Biggs.
Yeah, man. The lobster. One go, first night on the camera. Love it, you see it? Blessed, my peeps.
That is it.
And love. Yes, good people.
Yeah, man.
Very good night for me, you know. First by the video, perform good. No worry on yourself. Soon see what go on.
I cry, Biggs. The food soon done, you know, man.
Why not cry, me I cry, man.
Oh.
Me can't wait to taste the lobster, you know.
Eat my peeps. Alright. Yeah, man, eat your lobster, man.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. See me, huh?
Yeah, man.
Outside, my boss. Just for out in there, you see that? Roast on like one lobster and I eat, you see it? Yes, man, hungry a kilo, man. Cold a kilo, everything a kilo one time. You know. Yeah, man, but give thanks to Father God. Get a nice catch and come out back safe and everything, you know? Yeah, man, I rather say them, man. Big up on yourself, people. Yeah, man, subscribe to the thing right now, make the thing shut up. You see it? Yeah, man, tested it.
That is it, man.
Yeah, my little pass.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, good.
Yeah, man. And Jones Town.
Give that thanks.
Yeah, man.
Most important thing. We went into the water and we come back out safe.
That is it, man.
Yeah, man, that is it. So, let's have to give thanks.
Yeah, man. Nice little catch. Theme, the peeps. See it? You find some lovely parrot.
And one more thing too. Lay. Give me a few as well out there.
Oh.
And show me a few too.
Yeah.
And big show me a few fish as well too. Yeah, man. Yeah.
That is it, man. Alright, my peeps. I couldn't see my catch now, you know, guys. You know? Yeah, man. I couldn't see my catch. Yeah, man. Find some nice fish. Not, you know? Yeah, man. Show me what I go on. My catch is now, my peeps, you know? My little catch is Find couple lobster too. Find about 5, I roast 3, you know the thing go. Yeah man, fresh from the ocean. Catch and cook, lobster on the grill. See it? Yeah man. Fresh lobster. And yeah,
One go, you see it?
yeah
Straight
man.
from the ocean. You know where you go?
Yeah man, lobster my people.
Turn that one then, make him bun.
Yeah man, for your eye.
You know? You can't take it, nobody come in the kitchen, you know.
Yeah man.
I'm gonna shoot him in go so. And he go so. And he come back for me and I like to blow and start him go so.
You never shoot barra. You feel that barra is not. Where's the go on with the barra?
Yo, me shoot the bar
Mm.
and flash the man and come like so. And I see man dive down. And I see bar still a pass and I say, wait do? Shoot him.
Hey, but shoot, you don't shoot no barra.
I know say elephant.
Where's the go on Johnson? You say shoot the barra.
The bar and I don't know what happened.
Alright. Yeah,
Yeah,
my people. I eat man, we done here now, you know, roast up the lobster, eat belly full, change off, pack up the something, them as I see, glue this with ice, fish. That is it, see it? Yes, my peeps, so you know, we just a breeze off, you know, about 5 o'clock in the morning, you know. So you know, so we are going to do, I'm going to get some rest, because you know, say, today is another day. Yeah man, if you go up on the hunting, look for now, my peeps, so we need some rest, my people, you know. That is it, man. So once I continue to like up the video, my peeps, right, Jonestown?
Same way, sir.
What them for do?
Like, subscribe, share.
That is it, my peep. Until then, catch up over in the next adventure, my peeps. Big stuff.
One go.
Yeah, man.
See
Beat the machine pan rapid.
Yeah, you know.
Yes, see it?
Baby machine pan rapid, man. No joke.
People them see machine, they say, turn on it today.
Yeah, you know.
That is or rampara. That is it. Rasta
joke.
going good today.
Like, share, subscribe. No